Hello and welcome to Industrial Andons video series. Today we're going to be talking about paging systems. Yep, remember those back from the 80s? We're going a little old school today. So what happens a lot of times? You got your Andon system set up. We've got a couple floor signal stations here. As you see, we don't have a plant signal unit in the proximity, but a lot of times your respondents, whether it's material handlers, supervisors, whoever that is that needs to get the message when your Andon system's turned on, they may not be in the vicinity where they're going to hear or be able to see the plant signal unit. So what do you do in those situations? Well, certainly lean principles dictate that you want to go as simple as possible. Get what's necessary, but don't go overboard. So with that principle in mind, we look to develop a simple yet fairly cost-effective way to reach beyond the factory floor. Certainly you can do that through our database system, which sends out emails to things like smartphones or other devices that you may be carrying, but that's not always a good solution for you. So what we've got is just the same old, what you're used to from before is a little alphanumeric pager. And we can also do numeric pagers, which just send a numeric code that you can come up with, or in this case we've got an alphanumeric pager. The basic system, and you can add this on to your existing Andon system. So if you're already using our equipment, this can be added to your system pretty simply. Now there's two main components to adding it. One is the receiver unit. This is what listens to your existing Andon system and then passes the programmed codes, messages over to the paging transmitter. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up real quick in the other room, and we'll demonstrate how this works. Alright, I'm back. Got that plugged up and ready to go. So now what we want to show is this one we have programmed in to work with the red, amber, and green lights. So we'll get different messages, and we'll actually get different messages depending on which unit it comes from. So I'll show you here. Somebody turns red light on. Got the catchy little tune. You can either do that or vibrate. See if we can show you here. So you see that it's got the message on here. It says prep red, so that's the area. Now, next one. So it sends out a new one. This one says now prep yellow. So we can also, if you turn on a signal from, say, another area. Okay, so now what we've got is this one says burn down green. So we've got different ones depending on the area. So you can see that offers a lot of flexibility then as far as your respondents, if they're working in an area and they have a quick, easy way to get the message, tells them exactly what's going on. So your material handlers, supervisors can be reached. And a fairly simple way to do this. All of the messages get programmed into the system. We coordinate with you at the start of that to understand what your layout is. We can even set that up so if you plan on adding other lines into your system later, we can go ahead and program those messages in so you have no downtime as far as needing to get the system reprogrammed. So hopefully this demonstrates some of the other opportunities that we can provide through your Andon system, trying to make it flexible for you and fit your needs in a good way. If you have any questions, please contact us. Bob Wilson, Industrial Andons. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.